A lot's been said about speed recently on networks. Now, I haven't got a T-Mobile SIM at the moment, but as you can see up there, there's a base station, transmitter, network mast, whatever you want to call it. There's another 3 on the other side of this building for the various networks. Now, down here we have one phone on the right, which is on a 3 SIM. And that's using speedtest.net. Now, as always with speedtest.net, take it with a pinch of salt. These sort of tests sometimes overload the servers, but this one is on 3 and it's connecting to the Coventry server, and we're just going to do a test now. On the left here we've got an orange connection, and we're just going to do a similar test, same Coventry box, you can see. And here on the right I've got just over 5 meg on the orange, on the 3 network. As you can see here, it says 4G, but basically that's HSDPA. On this one here, this is a US handset with a UK SIM in it. And here on the left we've got HSDPA as well. Doing the upload, you can see that the download on the 3 SIM here is 5.85 megabits per second. Upload is 3.07 megabits per second, and on the left on the orange SIM we've got download of less than 2. Upload 325 kilobits a second. Let's do that again. Restart the test, and on the right hand side on the 3 SIM, restart the test on that one. I'll just show you, try and get as close up as I can. Again, this is a server in Warwickshire and Coventry. Again, on the left hand side we are not getting above 2 megabits a second on that orange connection at all. On the right hand side we are definitely getting nearly 6 megabits per second on the 3 connection. So you can see the upload speed as well is very different. We're getting a slower upload speed on the left hand side. The ping also is slightly bigger on the orange connection there on the left, but it just does show some of the disparity between the 2 networks. As you can see, I've got a full signal on both handsets, and we're very, very close to the transmitters. Got a full signal, and we can restart it again. 1919 download on the orange, again less than 2 meg, but 2 meg, it seems to be a sort of a, it tops out at 2 meg, never goes over 2 meg on that orange connection. You can see 1867 on the right hand side. If we do the same thing, restart the test, the download shoots up to way over that 2 megabits per second. And now we've got 6 here, nearly 7. So we've got 7.23 megabits per second. Obviously take all this with a pinch of salt, it does depend on your plan, etc. But you can see that the orange connection continually gets 2 meg on the download, no matter how many times we try it. Try it again. And on the right hand side we're getting a marked difference on the 3 connection of 6.47 this time. The download on the orange one is still ongoing, but it doesn't go over 2. It seems to hold at 1917 kilobits per second, and that is the top, the highest I've ever got. So if we go to our results, you can see that the orange connection here on the left has never really gone above, actually 1919 is the fastest speed we've got. And on the right hand side, on the results of the 3 SIM card, we've got results of 6 meg download, 7 meg download, 5.87, 5.85, and one slightly slower with a bit further away from the transmitter of 3.36, but still pretty decent.